Scarce, large, oversized, folding, color lithograph map of the railway system of India, and it's corrected up to the 30th of April, 1901. You see, tremendously detailed, and the key down here at the left denotes the different gauges, as well as those lines that were still under construction. It appears that it was printed in an edition of approximately 2,500 examples. It was lithographed in Calcutta at the S.I.O, which is the Survey of India office, and it appeared in some type of a report, and so is today quite scarce. And there's a very short minor little tear here right at the inset tab. This is the tab that would have inset the map into the report, and that top margin is as issued, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.